Namaste. This meditation, inspired by the Law of Relativity, invites us to see all experiences and relationships are relative to the absolute reality. It teaches us that while individual perspectives may vary, they arise from the same unchanging source of pure consciousness. This understanding nurtures empathy and unity. By balancing the uniqueness of personal experiences with the oneness of existence, we nurture a deeper awareness of the one absolute reality and the harmony underlying all interactions. You may want to sit in quiet meditation, or you may wish to journal. Find a comfortable position and take a few deep breaths. And on your exhales, release any tension and worries you may be holding on to. Settle yourself into this moment. This time is for you. Challenges are an integral part of life, offering opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Through difficulties, you are invited to examine your values, integrity, and purpose, shaping your character in profound ways. These moments arise to guide you toward healing or mastery of unresolved lessons. Without them, life would lack depth, leaving you stagnant and disconnected from your highest potential. The way you respond to recurring challenges determines whether you evolve or continue to face the same patterns. When struggles reappear, they signal areas needing attention. Each challenge is a teaching, nudging you closer to greater awareness and transformation. Until the gong, reflect on a recurring challenge in your life. Ask yourself what lesson it holds and how you can meet it with clarity and presence. The human experience is all about growth and learning from our mistakes in life, so that we can remove the ignorance that veils our true selves. When we are able to understand the value of challenges that come our way, we level up our vibration. In viewing life's experiences with neutrality, the waves of life's storms calm. This relative realm is where life happens. Embrace the opportunity to discover freedom from misperceptions, discover that life isn't so black and white, and find optimism and peace within. Perspective creates change. This law encourages you to live with confidence, to drop a victim mindset. Inevitably, varying levels of challenges will be experienced, and how you react to those challenges shape your enjoyment of this lifetime. Unresolved lessons will repeat again and again. Empathy plays a crucial role in understanding the relativity of others' experiences. Acknowledging that each person's reactions are shaped by their unique history nurtures compassion and deeper connections. Until the gong, reflect on whether you sometimes fall into a victim mindset and contemplate how much energy can be saved in shifting your mindset to see this realm and all its perceived troubles as merely relative. Alternatively, if your outlook is generally positive, contemplate the value in letting people have their own experiences and challenges without trying to fix them, simply being there to help if they ask. Focus on your soft breathing. The Law of Relativity reminds you that experiences are inherently neutral, given meaning only through our perceptions and compassion. What you label as good or bad arises from your mind's judgments, not from the absolute truth. By recognizing that all perceptions are relative, you can cultivate empathy for the diverse perspectives of others, while also freeing yourself from rigid judgments. As you sit in stillness, bring to mind a recent experience you labelled as good or bad. Observe how that label arose. Was it based on comparisons, past experiences, or your current state of mind? Now, until the gong, gently release the label and allow the experience to simply be without judgment. How might others have viewed the same situation differently? Reflect on its neutrality, seeing it from the perspective of absolute truth. The law of relativity encourages you to shift your perspective and approach challenges with curiosity and openness. When faced with difficulties, pausing to view the situation from multiple angles can reveal insights beyond your initial reaction. This practice allows you to see events not as fixed or absolute, but as opportunities for growth, shaped by the lens through which you choose to view them. Until the chimes, spend some time in gratitude for the opportunity to change your perspective to see the neutrality of experiences, the value this gives in recognizing and understanding your absolute truth. Unchanging existence, consciousness, bliss. In your own time, if appropriate, gently open your eyes. As you continue on your spiritual journey, it can be helpful to revisit this meditation or journaling practice, allowing the insights to deepen and take root deep within. Each session providing a new opportunity to unleash your inner peace and deepen your connection with others. Alongside this, my wide range of meditations offer further opportunities for reflection to support your growth. Thank you for meditating with me today. May we transcend the relative to full realization of our absolute reality. Shaanti, Shaanti, Shaanti.